ama-fans we-Orlando Pirates guys, sometimes masifaka amanye ama-post kuyabe kungatsho ukuthi sizonda i-Pirates, but siyabe sikhuluma iqiniso. Okunye ungaphikisi i-post ngoba iphostwe ngumuntu we-Kaizer Chiefs or we-Sundowns, kumele uyihluze. Into ebengiyikhuluma liphikisayo ngiphosta ku-Facebook la ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates idliswe ukuthi beyidlala lama-quality players abale-experience, yinto ebadlisile, not ukuthi abalazi ibhola. Ba-talented abafana be-Orlando Pirates, balazi ibhola, but i-experience kukhona lapho ihamba isebenze khona, nokuthi leli player liyi-quality. Ba-talented, mina vele angikuphiki lokho abafana be-Orlando Pirates, iqiniso lelo. But versus Sundowns badliswe yikuhlangana lama-experienced player, quality player. Yinto futhi eyadlisa iBafana Bafana yokugcwalisa ama-talent players engasema-quality player, eyibona. Kodwa udlala le-Cameroon enama-players adlala ku-Manchester United. Wena ufaka bomfukeng, ufaka umfukeng versus ama-players adlala e-Europe. Umfukeng uLeamanyezi idlala ibhola, edlala lama-quality ane-experience alabo ma-10 years besebholeni. Ufaka yabomfukeng abakabi nepower babaphusha nje bele. Guys, naloba ngingowe-Kaizer Chiefs, but iqiniso ngilikhuluma kumele lili-accept, not nje ukuphika nje into naloba libona ukuthi yiyo, ayibona. Mabhakaniya mfanise kanje, mhlawumbe linga-understand. Thina silomfundo Vilakazi is a talented player, umfana osasemncane unesiphiwo sebhola, but akakabi ne-experience ebholeni. Ngeke udiphende ngaye versus ama-players afana labo Omrena yabomdawo, ubese uyadiphenda ngoVilakazi. Cabanga nje versus amadoda angaka, ayibona. Mhlawumbe ma ngifanisa ne-player ele-team engiyisapota, mhlawumbe linga-understanda, ngeke liyenze i-debate, ayibona. Experience player, quality player ziyasebenza kwezinye indawo, not ukuthi i-Sundowns ngeke lidle, lizoyidla, but into eyadlisa i-Pirates last game yi-quality player eziku-Sundowns ezine-experience. That's why i-Orlando Pirates yadliwa. Lokho nje kumele liku-accept, ingakwata lingenzani, but iqiniso yilo, ayibona.